Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to NK Chemistry. Let's get started. Today's concept it is Hammett Acidity Function. Okay, let's try to see that H0. Okay, H0 is way to denote it as it is a measuring scale way to measure that acidity. Okay, let's try to move on the formula where to see that look at this formula. H0 is equal to pK is pKb and log of concentration of P and BH. B is a base and concentration of BH is given a conjugated acid and pKbH is given is a conjugated acid and base. Okay, look at this a simple way to comparison between that H0 Hammett acidity function. Another one is that a measuring scale like a pH. pH is a potential hydrogen way to measuring a pH range start with that 0 to 7, 7 to 14. Okay, pH is given where you see that 0 to 7 is the acid and 7 to 14 is the base. Hammett acidity function and pH both are the measuring scale with measuring the acidity. Okay, pH is H0 is the start with at below 0. We can call that it's a Hammett acidity function range start with at below 0. It's a negative sign way to show. Hammett acidity scientist name it is a Lewis Hammett way to invent this. Here we discuss a list of examples given. First one is that a superacid like a fluorosulfonic acid FSO3H, a magic acid where you combine that SPF5. What is the formula? That is FSO3H plus SPF5. And it's a triplet formula SF3SOH. This is SO3H given. And next is that we see that a fluoroantimonic acid given HFSOP F5 and fluorosulfonic acid formula ClSO3H. And the super strong acid means sulfuric acid. This is a concentration is very high concentration sulfuric acid. A range start with -12. Okay, H0 is given -12. Okay, -12 is that given above -13, 14, where you see that a concentration is very high. Okay, first we will see that a negative sign increases, it means it is a concentration is very high. H0 is that acidity increases. Where you see the FSO3 is given, how much it is given 15.1 and magic acid -23. And next one is that a chlorosulfonic acid given is a -12 or -13 and this one is a -20 and -25.